Just came through the airlock chamber into the space station. Simulated space station, but cool nonetheless. We have all of our little gadgets here. We have our valves over here. Ton of stuff in here to see. I could spend all day in this place. But what I found was most interesting is that if we could take this spaceship and actually get on a trajectory towards the sun, we wouldn't get very close to it. The reason is because the distance between the Earth and the Moon is 238,000 miles. And if you were standing on the surface of the Moon and the sunlight hit you, it would literally kill you. It's way too hot for you to be able to sustain life in that much sun. Now, the Moon is a great distance away from the sun, as is the Earth. But just that short distance of 238,000 miles is enough to cook a human being in direct sunlight. So, that being said, we know scientifically that the sun shrinks 1% per century. Or, if you extrapolate that out, it's about 5 feet per hour. If you use those known distances, again, inside of the vacuum of space, just 20 million years ago, the sun and the Earth were touching. Now wrap your mind around that for a minute. 20 million years ago, they're touching. Yet, 238,000 miles away, if you're standing on the Moon, the sun will cook you to death. So that means in far less than 20 million years, life on Earth would not be possible because the sun would have been far too large, we would have had far too much sunlight hitting the planet, strongly suggesting again that the Earth couldn't possibly be billions of years old.